everyone, and welcome back to my channel.
It's my channel.
No, it's not. We're going to get some Starbuckies, and we're taking a study break. Here are the pooches. There's one pooch. Here's another pooch.
Oh, we gotta do my stuff.
I love you. It's freaking windy. Got this cute little fuzzy jacket. I got these acid wash jeans
Not gonna work.
from Packy Sunny that have a little zippity doo dah. Shoes, can't really see them, from American.
So we're headed to our favorite place on the planet. I probably spend most of my income. I don't have
What
income?
I don't have an income.
I probably spend most of my mom and dad's income on Starbucks. So sissy. Do you think you know me?
She copies everything.
There's a lot of cops out. What's happening?
Oh my god, they know we're vlogging.
Okay, well, honey, can we go a little quicker, honey? I call everyone honey.
Evan.
This woman is just like hanging out in the middle of the road. What is happening? I wish you could have seen that. Oh my god.
She literally, oh.
Bye.
Oh my god, we're literally gonna die before we even get to frickin' Starbucks. I even have
We're
my
here.
wallet on me.
Yeah. I know I have mine.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Yeah.
Actually, I should probably just order it off my phone because I think I downloaded.
I just came to a small place in LA to get away from all the craziness in New York.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
That's dope. Okay. I don't know if I should bring this into Starbucks. Wait, I should.
No, just wait online with me.
No,
We're literally here.
It's a money thing.
It's a money thing. Okay. What? Okay, everyone. So, right now we are about to see how well we actually know each other as siblings, as sisters. Okay, so we each wrote down 10 questions to ask each other.
You should be able to know mine. I'm old school. I wrote mine on a piece of paper.
I have mine on my phone. Okay.
So who wants to go first? I feel like
Let's do rock, paper, scissors.
So
Business.
what is my favorite candy?
Candy?
Yeah, my favorite candy. I always have this candy when I can have it.
Starbursts?
No!
Wait, Twix.
No!
Know your favorite candy? What is your favorite candy? Skittles!
Oh, Skittles! What is my biggest phobia?
Your biggest phobia. Okay, we just kind of went over these.
No,
not
there's
really.
a difference between biggest fear
Right.
and biggest phobia.
You like spiders, which is weird. So it's not that.
I literally let spiders like crawl on my hand.
Oh my god, what's your...
And I love snakes, so it's not that
Yeah,
either.
no. Okay, you're gonna give me the answer? No, I'm kidding. Oh my god. What's your biggest... Flying? No?
Yours is flying.
Okay, mark one off! Okay. Being in a large crowd. I mean, like,
No.
being social. Clowns.
No, that's yours too. Okay, do you want to know the answer?
Yeah.
It was a trick question. I don't have a phobia.
Everyone has a phobia. You're a liar. What do you mean?
What am I scared of then?
All right. My next question is, name one band that I used to listen to in middle school.
One or like, 'cause you
One.
listened to a couple.
I know, but name one.
Middle school?
Yeah, middle school. I'm talking about my most awkward.
Okay, when you were in
and
middle
trying way too
school,
hard stage.
Keep in mind, I was like 5 years old when you were in middle school.
Yeah, but keep in mind, I also used to like blast music probably all the time, and I went through
Did
this
you listen
really
to it in high
weird,
school too?
like emo. Not really emo. I had like that bow in the hair thing. You remember that? One out of any of them. Think about it.
Death Cab for Cutie.
Not really in middle school. I didn't really know much of them.
Okay,
in
then that
middle
means
school.
the other answer I have is
Okay.
high school too.
Really?
I like didn't. This isn't fair. I didn't know you
Well,
in middle
see,
school.
we don't know each
I was
other.
a freaking child. Head Automatica.
Yeah, she got it. All right, give yourself a tip. Oh my god.
Next. What is my biggest pet peeve?
Oh my.
This is so
God.
easy. Like,
Okay,
if you don't-
chewing.
No, I don't. I just made a freaking ASMR video of me chewing on food. No, you should know that. If you don't get it.
Pet peeve. Oh, when people don't know how to drive.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's my turn.
Mhm.
Okay, back to the music topic because it's a major part of my life. Name at least 3 of my favorite bands now.
Pine Grove.
This is gonna be so easy.
Citizen.
Yeah.
Shit. Brand new.
Okay, yeah, that counts.
That-
But yeah,
Because you have like 50
well, I always
shirts.
love brand new.
What
that
was
was
the one
such
you were
an easy
thinking of?
question.
What do I want to name my future kid if it's a girl?
Oh
I've
my
said this so many
God.
times.
A girl?
I've said it so many times, and like I always say the nickname for her, and I'm like,
God, it has a
blank, time for
nickname?
dinner. Because like she has, because she has one of those like it has it. I'm saying she as if like I have a child. I don't have a child.
Oh my
It's one of those
God.
names that's such a common nickname for this name.
Francesca.
Ew, no. No offense to anyone that's named Francesca, but like
I don't
no.
know where I got that. Oh my God. It's not Ariana Grande. I mean, not full name.
Ariana Grande DSO.
Oh my God. I suck at this. I don't know you. But I can't do this. I don't know a thing about you.
Do you give up?
No. Tiffany.
Ew, no.
That'll be cute. I feel like you look.
I have a picture of Aubrey Hepburn. Aubrey.
No.
Audrey Hepburn on my
Oh my
wall.
God. I don't know.
Do you give up?
Yeah.
Gabriella.
Gabriella!
Gabby, time for
I
dinner.
freaking-
Suck. Okay, your turn.
Sorry that I don't know. What do I get?
My questions are so easy. Mine are too, if you know me.
What do I get the most compliments on?
Your eyelashes.
No.
Your eyebrows. Both of you get both.
Are we? What is the score now?
4-1. All right, maybe I'll give you an easy one. What's my fish's name? Are you kidding me? You helped me come up
so
with it.
long.
But it's so easy now.
Oh, no!
Wow, she literally.
Wait, I forgot. I need to think. Floyd is stuck in my head because that's my fish's name.
Ew, frick names are
Floyd.
Floyd.
After Pink Floyd, leave me alone. Your fish's name is, it's a something designer, right?
Could be. Maybe, maybe not.
Oh my God, am I dumb? This is.
I freaking posted it on my Instagram and Snapchat
You
too.
did?
Yes. As soon as we got them. Look around my room. Don't say Audrey. It's not Audrey.
Louie!
Okay, I'll give that one to you only because you're kind of suffering here.
These questions are just giveaways at this point. Who's my least favorite celebrity?
Taylor Swift. No, I just know you. Who's my least favorite celebrity if you think the questions are so easy?
Taylor Swift.
Yeah.
Where is my dream vacation location? AKA where I want to go on my honeymoon one day.
Bora Bora.
I shouldn't have added that last comment.
What are 2 of my biggest weaknesses?
Weakness.
Yeah, like my 2 of my biggest weaknesses.
Like eating?
No.
I'm kidding. You make fun of how you like to eat all the time.
I do, but that's not a weakness. I embrace that shit. It's literally so obvious. I cannot believe. I thought you were gonna get this for sure. Like, I wrote this down and I was like, this is gonna be an easy one for her.
Weakness? Like in terms of subjects or like what?
Like in terms of myself. Like what are my
confidence.
2? Yes. That's 1.
Okay, confidence and what goes along with confidence?
If you only get 1, then I'll give you half a point.
Half. Your ability to communicate.
Oh, I know how to communicate when I have to just fine.
Oh.
All right, so you got 1, it was confidence. The other one is worrying too much about people looking at me.
These are so broad.
No, they're not. Everyone knows this. I always say that girl is looking at me. Why is she looking at me?
All right. Well,
stop making excuses because you don't know me.
You already got what is my biggest phobia. What was my least favorite subject in school?
In high school? Math. It's everyone.
Stupid.
This one's easy. If I can be anyone in the world, who would it be?
Ariana Grande.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. All right, next one. Where do I want to live when I'm capable of moving out? I've said this too.
New York City.
Or just New York in general.
What was my first job ever?
Ever?
Ever.
And wait, what came before? I know.
I'm trying to think if I actually know the answer.
It was either Annie Says or PacSun. But I think it was PacSun, wasn't it? Yeah, it was PacSun.
Yeah, I think it was PacSun.
Alright, next question. What's something I can't live without? This is also really easy if you think about it.
Me.
No.
At least they're not broad.
Oh my god, it's literally
makeup.
Yes, thank you. I shouldn't give that one to you because it took you 5 times.
First of all, that is the wrong answer. Me.
And so I get to ask you my hardest question, which I have told you once.
What's the score now? Is it tied?
7-5. Okay. What's the most embarrassing story that has happened to me as a kid?
Embarrassing as a kid?
You're not gonna get this. I know you're not because I told you so long ago, but it's so like weird and like funny that like I feel like you should remember it.
Something in school.
Mm-mm.
I was kidding. The most embarrassing thing. It happened in public.
Mm-hmm. Well, not like really in public, but like in like a group of people. Oh, you see her in the back, I do. Oh, she looks like a little bee.
I don't know, you probably fell downstairs.
No, that is not embarrassing compared to this story.
Really? This is worse? Oh my god. What could you do that's worse than falling?
A lot worse. It's so gross too. I was just so embarrassed. I didn't know what to do, so it was like
gross. You threw you embarrassing and gross. You farted.
No.
You picked a booger. Gross. People.
All right, so I used to do gymnastic classes. You remember that, right?
Yeah, what could it be?
So one day I'm a lazy person. I didn't want to get up and go to the bathroom. I really had to pee. So I was sitting on one of the trampolines.
You peed on a trampoline?
Yeah, but listen, I was sitting on one of the trampolines and I was holding in my pee, just waiting till like it went away, and then this little came over and started jumping on my trampoline that I was holding in my pee on. So as she was jumping on it, I was like going up and I was peeing. I was peeing, and then it was all over the trampoline, and I didn't know what to do, so I laid down and I started moving around to clean it up with my shirt and my pants. Just accept the fact that you don't know me as well as you thought you did.
I'm sorry. I listened to you. You know what? That's it. That's it. Don't know anything about my sister. Guys, if you don't know, this is the cutest little... Oh! I take it back.
She never bites a leaf.
Why would you do that?
All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching my big sister fail miserably of trying to guess some questions about myself that she should have she should have known. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and push the little subscribe button and push the little bell button to get notified whenever I post a new video.
Yeah. Trust me, you're not gonna wanna miss this, girl.
Okay, well, again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, honeys.